This is the unboxing of the Microtouch titanium trim, at-home haircut and body groomer. Cut and trim, edge, and groom. Same thing. Cut and trim, edge, and groom.
It has a built-in light.
Has a built-in light. And it's got attachments. Built-in light, extendable handle, cordless.
Cordless, that's good.
So we're ready to open it. We need a knife. Yep. There you go.
There,
Wow.
I did not expect it to look like
Comes
that.
with batteries too, look.
Oh, yay!
Are they chargeable batteries? I think they are.
No.
Okay, let's open it the rest of the way. It's taped all the way around. Let me get it.
There you are. Look at that.
It's sideways.
It's the guide. What's this guide?
They're all guides, right?
What is this?
From an inch to a half inch. There's the manual. Microtouch trim. Go through that. Crew cut for RJ.
Yay.
Good for Daddy and RJ.
And you.
I cannot do mine.
Where's the unit?
I have no unit.
No.
My goodness.
Wait, what's in here? Maybe it's
Oh,
in
there
here.
he is. Inside.
You hit it.
Oh, there he is. There he is, Daddy.
Power button.
I have no battery yet.
Right, the batteries are right there.
Yep.
Turbo cell. Little brush for cleaning. Comes with batteries.
No chargers?
Nope. Look, what's this? So these are all, you can see, it's a guide, so that's like
Yeah.
a 1/4 inch.
Yep, there he is.
This is like 1.5 inches, 2 inches.
Oh,
This is like 1 inch.
watch this.
Yeah, the extend too.
Super long.
I don't know what this is for.
Oh, put that here.
Oh,
See, he put RJ.
yeah, but look how small it is.
Go, RJ. There
Yeah.
you go.
What if I put it on this thing?
He put all RJ. Forward. Oh,
Yeah.
let's see
Oh, open the
how to
battery.
do that.
What?
Wow.
What about this is the most
Okay,
scary,
testing all.
the most scariest one.
Unit.
We test again. Oh, there. Let's see. That. What's that? Ooh, so
It's a drill.
it's so drill to your hair.
It's a drill.
You funny,
I
RJ.
can drill my hand now.
See, you can do that. Jing, jing. Oh, nice that, RJ.
And
So
one
cool.
more. And then I see this one.
Nope.
Yeah.
Good.
Said it had a light.
Okay,
RJ.
put battery now. Here's Daddy.
We're going to have to read the instructions. You got to take it apart. Put the battery in.
Here.
These are all the parts. We have
And
five attachments,
One,
and then the razor itself.
yep.
Microtouch,
and 2 free batteries.
power button, 2 free batteries.
And a brush.
You can see the attachments are,
And a bag.
there it is. Okay. Guide number 2, 4, 6, and 8. We have a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch for trimming your hair.
Yay.
Okay, so now the batteries we got. This slides up so you can reach areas.
Yay.
And then you push this button right here
Then pull.
and pull. And this comes apart.
Made in China.
The battery goes in on the end here.
Right there.
It says turn counterclockwise. There you go.
Then we grab the batteries.
I guess they both go in like that.
Then we
Yeah.
and ta-da.
Now it
And
goes
then we
back in
grab
here.
this and place in. Oh.
Ooh, try. If a light. Oh, look at that.
The light comes on automatically, huh?
Yep.
Yay. Do this.
Don't start.
I'm just putting it. Look.
That's a guide, so you can't cut it
Yep.
any shorter.
It's a brush.
That's it.
There's a
brush.
lot of guides here. I have 5 guides.
I told you.
There is. And there is other one. Here.
I already read them right here. 1 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch.
Okay.
They show 4 guides.
Yep. And there's the bag.
One's for like trimming. That's what this is for.
What?
This just slide off. This for like trimming your sideburn or something. See, it's like it's like nothing. Trim it, you trim it down to very small.
Turn it on.
There's your button.
It's quiet though, not so loud.
Yep.
Nice. Up now for haircut for Daddy and RJ.
And you.
Mainly for the sides.
Here's the sideburn.
Okay.
Take this off. The thing I want to know is like what's the brush for?
The razor.
For
Don't turn it on.
cleaning.
Don't turn it on.
Cleaning like that.
Oh.
For clean this, RJ. Okay, that's it for now, guys. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
My channel.